Welcome to the Argos toy unboxing with Imaginext. Firstly, here's the Imaginext Batmobile set. Wow, there's loads here for a full-on battle to save Gotham City. The evil Bane has his jetpack on. Quick Batman, don't let him get away. Bane can fly off with the spinning turbines on his jetpack. And Batman and Robin here can zoom after him with the Batmobile and Batcycle. Press this button on the Batmobile to fire discs and this one on the Batcycle to fire missiles at him. Faster, he's getting away! Next, let's look at Batman's lair. It's the Imaginext Batcave. Hopefully Bane won't show up here, but if he does, Batman and Robin can capture him and lock him in jail. The playset has loads of secret features for you to try. Put Batman or Robin on these activation discs to reveal them. This one opens the Bat computer. This one extends the secret walkway. This flips up the Batwing. And this one opens and closes the door to the Batcave. Your superheroes can ride the lift to get to all the floors. Is that Bane in the distance? Robin, head into Gotham City on the Batcycle. Batman, clip on your flight suit and make for the cannon. Ready, aim, fire! These are the Imaginext superheroes and villains. There are 4 characters in the pack and accessories ready to battle. Superman and Bizarro look so alike. Who will be the victor? Maybe Bizarro could fight Superman with his kryptonite. Look out, Bizarro, here comes Krypto the Superdog to save Superman. And hot on his heels is the Flash, followed by his arch nemesis Professor Zoom. Oh, this could be some fight. Where's Batman when you need him? What's this? It's the Imaginext Batwing. And here's Batman, ready to help you save Gotham City. Press the power pad here or the trigger on the back to open the jet wings. Batman can stand up here as he flies off to defeat the supervillains. And it seems there's no rest for Batman as he helps to defend the Imaginext Hall of Justice, the HQ for the Justice League, and he has pal Superman to help you. If you spot any evil villains, turn the power pad to reveal these secret hidden projectile launchers. And if you need a higher spot, move 1 or 2 up here, or here, ready to fire at the villains like this. And that's not all. Turn the headquarters around and there's more at the back. A place to store your missiles, computer consoles to keep a lookout, and this central team point to hold your Justice League meetings. There's also this cell for the bad guys. And if they're really bad, you can lock them up in one of the 2 cells in the Imaginext Gotham jail. Batman here is to help you police the prison, and you also have Bane to keep him on his toes. Turn this disc to make Bane glow as he powers up, then turn this one to unlock the cells ready to lock up your prisoners or release them. And if Batman is off fighting crime in the city, use the bat signal to call him back to help. He sure is one busy superhero. Well, we hope you've enjoyed all the Imaginext superhero toys. Roll your mouse over the screen and click on the top right-hand corner for more information.